Hello and welcome. It's Mary from Toria's Enterprise here, and in today's video, I will be showing you 6 proven ways to earn money online, even as a beginner with just your smartphone. I understand the frantic feelings to find a way to make money. Nigeria is a country where you need multiple sources of income to survive. There are many ways, many legit ways to make money online in Nigeria with little or no capital and even from the comfort of your home. The average Nigerian is bound to have many expenses than his or her resources, and if he or she refuses to seek money, means of making money might break down. Join me in this video as I will expose you to some proven ways for you to earn money legitimately online with your smartphone, even as a beginner or as a newbie. Firstly, let's address the most common question people ask in this kind of situation. How can a beginner make money online? Okay, let me tell you this. Everybody has to start from somewhere. Even the pros that you look up to started from somewhere, even though most of them don't talk about their days of little beginnings and mistake. The honest truth is that the more you do something you are committed to, the more you get better at it and become a master at it. That's just the secret. As a beginner, you can start making money online today. The first thing is to make up your mind that you want to make money. Then you can walk through other processes that are outlined in this video. You have to start with something that you're natural at, something you have some basic skills about and something you enjoy doing. It can be as basic as loving to teach people and talking about something you know, motivating people, singing, writing, and so on. Just anything. You can also start by writing out a list of these skills or these things that you can do. Next thing you need to do is to arrange your list in order of priority and highlight the 2 top skills that you can pursue with immediate effect. Continue watching this video and you will see how to develop that idea and start making money. Yes, it is that easy. Just take one step at a time and before you know it, you are at the finish line. Now let's get back to business. The number 1 way is graphics and creative design. Just your smartphone and a few design apps such as Canva and Pixel Lab, you can create graphics design for business. Some individuals. You can start freelancing business that serve other small businesses with varying categories of service. You can work on UI or UX design projects, social media graphics, business branding. The combination of service you can render are truly endless, and you do all this with just your smartphone. Yes, there are people earning much online through graphic design. You can charge as much as 3,000 to 5,000 for creating flyers for individuals, for business owners that needs them. All you have to do is just take a course. If you don't have any idea about it, you can watch some YouTube videos. You can take a course on it from people that are pros in using their smartphone to create design, and you also practice and make sure you are a master at it. Then you can offer your service to other people. Tell other people what you know how to do with your device. Let them know what you do by posting your work and being creative in it, and before you know it, you can start earning from it. If you are a creative person, then this is for you. Graphics design is for you. Now let's go to the number 2 way. Number 2, social media management. You can help small businesses manage their social media pages such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and others by creating content for them or posting and engaging their customers. If you are someone that know how a particular social media works, or you are a pro at a particular social media, maybe you are a boss at Facebook or at Instagram or on Twitter, then this is for you. You should try doing this. You can approach individuals or approach businesses. There are many people out there looking for your service, looking for who to manage their social media pages for them, of course, and they will pay you for it. They'll pay you for your time, pay you for creating content for them. So instead of just posting playfully on your social media without doing anything, look for pages that are looking for page managers or social media managers. Help them manage their accounts and their profiles. I tell you, this can earn you a lot of money. Yes. Number three, writing, ghostwriting, copywriting. If you love writing, then this is for you. Yes, this is for you. With that thing you love doing, that writing you love doing, you can actually earn a lot of money. There are people in different fields who want to write a book but do not have time to sit down and start writing one. If you have the skill of writing, you should consider rendering your service to this segment of people. Businesses are also looking for copywriters to help them with their product copy. Copywriting gives you the flexibility to work for you who you want at the time you want to and from the comfort of your home or whatever workspace that you decide. If you love writing stories, you can leverage on writing app that actually pay writers. By that, you can write stories for them and earn money by doing that. Also, you can ghostwrite for people. You can just create content. Also, you can write birthday wishes, congratulatory message, and all that by charging as low as even 500 naira, 1000 naira for writing just a birthday message, for writing I love you message, and stuff like that. So if you love writing, you should really consider doing this. Become a video editor, a mobile video editor. Video have become so important in this digital age. People love to watch videos than reading a long article on social media using their smartphone. I mean, yeah, who doesn't love watching videos? Videos have become so fun and very educative at the same time. Video can catch the attention of your audience much faster than articles. If you are a pro mobile video editor, you can charge as much as 3,000 naira to 5,000 naira, even up to 10,000 naira for simply creating video ads for individuals or businesses and with just your smartphone. I have a course that will teach you step by step ways to successfully edit different type of explainer videos, marketing videos, different type of videos like a pro, even as a beginner, and how to make money off it. Check the description of this video for more details about the course. So if you are a creative person, video editing skill may be what you need to get that side income you've always wanted. Start reselling data and airtime on Data Villa. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. The use of mobile data is essential to everyone everyday's life. Students particularly are fond of keeping in touch. And what is that thing they need for them to keep in touch? Data, of course. Data Villa is a legit website where you can start reselling data. On Data Villa, you can get MTN plans for as low as 235 naira per 1 gig with a 30 days validity. You can also do recharge, airtime, money transfer, bill payments, and many more. They even have a WhatsApp contact that you can contact their customer care with. Sign up as a data reseller on Data Villa with the link included in the description of this video. Now, the last but not the least we'll be talking about this evening, start teaching or start selling tutorials, online courses. A lot of people are relying on online platform to learn anything that catches their fancy. You should tap into this and create a course around subjects you are knowledgeable about. The opportunities are endless because there are platforms that have done all the work for you. All you have to do is just create your online course and upload. They will assist you in showing your work to their users, and those that resonate with you will buy your course. This is a very good means of generating passive income and making money online without having to do much. There are some platforms to sell your courses such as Udemy, Skillshare, Seller, Teachable. As a student, you can even earn money by instructing people on subjects you are skilled about. If you're in a university or any higher institution that you are in, you can teach other students, your classmates, your course-mates, or even people in levels that are higher than you. You can provide lessons also to younger children around you about subjects you are knowledgeable about, and you get paid for doing this. You can take online tutoring programs. If you can't find someone to tutor in your area, there are people online looking for tutors too. Seeing how eager people are to gain knowledge, I can tell you that this is for you. If you are knowledgeable about any subject or any course, then this is for you. Get started today. People are waiting to give their money to you. Yes, people are waiting to give their money to you. So create that course today. Start teaching today. And like I said earlier, I don't know if I've mentioned it earlier, this is just the part one of this video. The part two of this video will be dropping sometimes next week or in 2 weeks time, when I'll be showing you more ways you can earn money online or earn money offline doing the things you love to do. In conclusion for today, to make money online, you need to pick specific areas and develop yourself in those areas. If you want to be a mobile photographer or a mobile photo editor and you want to earn money from it, you must develop yourself and make sure you are a pro. This will give you the knowledge base you need and enable you to charge high fees and make money while working from home, from wherever you choose. As you just finished watching these videos, I hope you have written down ways of making money online, or you have gotten a new idea of where you can earn money online, or that align with the skills that you already have. I wish you the very best of luck. I'll see you in the next video.